Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So St. Patrick's Day is tomorrow. So I went to the dollar store and got this Shamrock. It was a necklace, but I took the necklace part off. It lights up. And we're going to go ahead and pour over it. Just for funsies, we'll have it lit while we do that because why not? I'm using an Arteza canvas, and then I'm using the Arteza Pouring acrylic colors. So these are the pre-mixed, ready to go. You don't have to do anything to them paints. I've got a low leaf FA silicone bowl here, low leaf FA matte, and we'll get started. All materials will be in the description, so please check that out, okay? So starting with some white, and then I have sea green, and then phthalo green. This one's a really pretty green. And then we have some neon green. Then this is forest green, although it's kind of a teal. And then we're going to add in some yellow. This one is mid yellow, it's what it's called. And then a little bit of phthalo blue. And a little bit of the black. This is Mars black. And that will give us some nice contrast. I am going to now add in some more yellow. And I think a little more of the phthalo green. And then a little more sea green. Okay. So that should be good. And I'm going to go ahead and pour over this Shamrock, and it should give us a pretty cool pattern. At least that's what I'm going for. And I don't know if the paint will actually go in it or not. I was looking for something that was like foam to pour over, but I couldn't find anything. So this is what we've got. And if it does still work after this, well, I have a cool necklace for tomorrow. So see how it obviously goes around all the spots, and that's kind of the point of it, is to give it that really cool pattern, which you wouldn't get by just pouring it normally. Go ahead and drain the bowl on that side and carefully pull this out. And then just go ahead and get the excess paint off. If anyone's wondering why I'm not wearing gloves, it's because there is a shortage right now, and other people really need them much more than I do. So I can wash my hands afterwards. If that upsets anybody, I'm very sorry, but that's kind of the way it is. We have to be a bit conserving on our materials right now. I am digging this, especially since I honestly don't probably use enough greens. So it's nice to have an occasion where I have a very good reason to use greens. I kind of wish I'd put a little more yellow in there even, and maybe even a little more of the neon green, but I'm definitely digging how this is coming out. I love, love, love these Arteza paints. This is now my third box, I think. Maybe even my fourth. And it's definitely great for beginners because you don't have to mix the paint. Or it's just good for those times you don't feel like mixing paint. Yeah, you don't have to worry about the consistency or getting any other materials. It's just, like I said, ready to go right out of the box. So let's let this sit here for a little bit, and then we'll come in for our close-up. All right, we're back. Not much changing, but I just love this pattern in here. Totally got the Shamrock pattern, which I am super happy about. So let's go ahead and do our close-up. Starting on the lower right hand corner, you can see all the different greens in here. Look at that. So cool. Upper right hand corner. Over here to the upper left hand corner. And down to the lower left-hand corner. You can see that neon green popping through down here. And overall. All right, guys. Really hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and have fun tomorrow, and I will see you next time.